Umbuso ucela ukuba lihlehliswe icala njengoba ufuna ukuqinisekisa ukuthi umsolwa kuleli ngokusemthethweni yini.
He did hand in his Home Affairs document, but the state still needs to verify whether he is indeed legal in the country.
Umsolwa ukhale ngokuthi uye washawa amaphoyisa waphinde wathathelwa impahla yakhe kanye nemali ngesikhathi eboshwa ngesonto eledlule.
The state would need to investigate the truthfulness of the allegations that he made. And then if then that is the case, then we will move forward with that information. And if that is not the case, we'll still move on with that information. However, that will not mean that the state will not proceed with the case.
Lusaqhubeka uphenyo njengoba umsolwa ebhekene namacala amaningi ngenxa yokuphumela obala kwezinye izisulu kanti uma kuvela ezinye amacala azokwanda.
At this stage, the accused is facing 8 counts of compelled sexual assault, 6 counts of assault, GBH. So more charges might be added if more people still come and report.
Iqembu iMK lithi uhulumeni kufanele uqinise isandla kubantu bokufika abenza ubugebengu kuleli.
As much as we battle with crime and criminality in South Africa, it can't be that people would come from other countries to willy-nilly commit crimes, and now it has gone on to violate our very own people.
Amaphoyisa asathungatha abanye abasolwa abayisikhombisa kuleli cala.